At the beginning,
Where are we? Where are we, Melissa?
We are at Batu Caves. I am so excited to go and check all of this stuff out.
Let's get it.
So we are at Batu Caves. Look at that tree. It is huge. And then all the stairs, that's where we're gonna go up. It's gonna be a long one. It'll be fun. Great exercise. Look at how intricate all of the little details are. It is beautiful. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're gonna time how long it takes to get to the top.
9:48. Start. Let's go.
We are going up, everyone. Look at that beautiful sky.
That's not fun.
We're done one slide.
Yeah.
Jan was telling me that people do pilgrimage from downtown
Yeah.
to Kuala Lumpur
Yeah.
all the way to the top.
Oh yeah.
They're like going
What? Yeah, water.
and trekking and all that stuff.
Going in. It's a little bit of a hike, guys. Probably what, 500 stairs or something? Woo. Beautiful. Burn some calories. Here. We're almost there, love. Almost there. There we go. Whew. It's hot, it's muggy, about 38 above Celsius. But you know what? I can rock this shit all day long.
We are now at the top of some of the steps.
Wow. Oh man.
10 minutes, 13 seconds.
Yeah, that's not bad. Eh? Oh, right? Absolutely.
They still have more steps over there.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
A lot.
Well, at least we're on the sun here. Woo. Wow. This is the interior of Batu Caves, everyone.
Imagine this in rainy days, bro.
What'd you think, honey?
I think it's beautiful. It's actually, I've never been in a cave like this before. Lots of stairs, but I'm not that out of shape, so it wasn't too bad.
I am. I'm lacking on the calories. I'm pretty pooped. I'm dying right now. But it's cool. It's really cool. Let's check it out.
Check it out. Watch your step, my love. Right? Yeah. Oh, Chris. You can't go all the way to Kuala Lumpur without seeing the Batu Caves. And that's where we're at. Me and Melissa right now in the Batu Caves. It is pretty amazing.
But those stairs are killer when you don't eat enough food.
Yeah, there's like a temple inside the mountain when you come in here. It is gorgeous. The roof's right here. I would say it's probably about 150 feet up. There's bats outside. There's monkeys hanging around. It's pretty cool. Where are we, Melissa?
We are inside the first portion of the Batu Caves. We just went up, I don't know how many stairs. But it's a lot cooler in here than it is outside. There's a temple right there. You have to have your shoes off to go in there. And then we're gonna go up some more steps.
We're gonna go
deeper into the cave.
We're going deeper into the cave. Made it to the top. Not gonna lie. There's some steps there. But it is beautiful over here. Check this out. Up on top. Pretty cool. There's a massive temple in here. You go in there, you can get blessed and stuff if you want. If you give money, you always get blessed. You know how it works, right? But right here is the caves. I'll flip it around, I'll show you guys. You can see, look how high this is. It is beautiful here. Beautiful. Very, very, very cool. And this has been here for hundreds of thousands and thousands of years. If you're ever in Kuala Lumpur or ever in Asia, if you have the time to travel and do the things you want to do, like me and Melissa, definitely come over here, check it out. It's super cool.
But such an amazing experience. You can definitely feel the energy from the earth in this cave. It is very grounding to be in here. Such a neat experience.
So now we're just going to be leaving. I'll show you how the view coming out of the temple looks like, everyone. Bring on the other one. Sounds.
The pictures are way better in the middle row.
Oh yeah. Here's a little monkey.
You can give them candies. Something. Let me see what I got.
Finally got to see a monkey. Doing it monkey style, eh? Oh yeah, I hear you, buddy. I hear you. That's awesome.
Look at his tongue.
It's spicy.
He spit it out. He doesn't like it.
He's burning right like that. Yeah, he's like. Vamos a darle ese. Me gusta el dulce mexicano, el pulparino.
You like it?
It's spicy.
Look at the fucking teeth on that thing. Oh, look at this little monkey line. It's a little one. There's little monkeys everywhere.
All the pigeons. Tons and tons of pigeons sit on the temple.